start today's video with a cold start for the boys. But we are gonna take the Subaru out today because we're gonna do a photo shoot for the new Something Cool merch drop, which if you guys have not checked out any of the Something Cool merch yet, I will put a link in the description or up top here to the Something Cool Instagram. You guys can shoot an email to somethingcool.apparel@gmail.com if you guys want a hoodie. All of the money from the hoodies goes to boosting that Honda Civic over there, which will be sick. Fifth and fourth, like almost every time. If you guys have been watching the videos for a while, you would know how nice this is to be able to just set my cruise control at 100 and have no issues. Every single electrical issue on this damn car is gone, and it drives so nice. But now the only issue I'm having with the car is the damn transmission. If I downshift into fifth, this thing makes the loudest clunk every single time. The fourth and fifth gear synchros in this car are done. Listen to this. Clunk. Doesn't do it into fourth if you're downshifting. Ooh, she's popping. But if I rep third to fourth, she'll grind fourth every time. Ooh, big old grind. And fifth grind too. Okay, we're at the car wash now. Sierra's here. I gotta watch this thing for the Something Cool shoot, so I actually have a clean car in pictures. Because this damn car is so dirty all the time. There's bugs all over the place. And I live on a gravel road, so this is what the back of the car looks like all the time. She a dirty girl. Just like you, right? That is a rare sight to see right there, boys. He's actually clean. Woo! This thing's just so bumpy, you can't rip it. Another bump. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we can rip it. So good. Ooh, nice little 86 in front of us. I kind of like that bumper cutout. That's kind of sick. You going to United Cycle? Oh yeah. Are you going to be there? I might. Come by, man. It'll be fun. One thing I hate about this car is this damn shifter. It's so creaky and squeaky. Like the little arm on the bottom rubs on the rubber grommet constantly every single time I shift in first or second or fifth and sixth. I gotta get a Cobb short shifter or something like that for this thing. I'm still running the stock shifter. Maybe I could bang gears even faster. Hello?
How's it going?
We are just crossing the white mud right now. So like about to come up on caution stuff. What's up, dude?
That thing sounds so good. Fuck you.
What does? My car?
Yeah.
Man, I didn't even do anything.
The turbo sounds so good from the front.
Oh, you can hear it?
Oh yeah.
Dude, that thing looks so clean. Okay, here, you'll hear it. All right, I'm gonna have this rolling when we pull up. I'm curious to see if there's anybody there. This is the first like meet that I've ever put on.
I see one car. 3, 4, 5.
5 cars, damn. Dude, my ass is sweating. This is tough.
It's warm.
Colton got the Evo out.
Yes, sir.
His wastegate's stuck closed though.
Yeah, it's a little scary. I just stopped at 14.5 pounds of boost and I don't pull anymore.
This guy's set at like 24 pounds of boost right now.
28 to be exact.
This guy's got the dirty Max. What's up, Ian?
How's it hanging, Daniel?
You would bring a truck to a car meet.
Oh, fucking rights I would.
Holy, it's Mia. She's here. Man, every time I see this car, I regret selling it. How's it going, boys?
Going pretty good.
What's up, buddy?
How's she kicking?
What's up, dude? What's your name?
Chris.
Chris, Daniel. Nice to meet you, man. Cody, what's up, big guy?
Poppin' D.
Not taking the hatch out, hey?
No, I wanted to bring something different. You already have a blue hatchet.
guy has a massive PP.
Still freaking running.
No, he doesn't.
Dude, the thing that I think is sick about this is like there's how many cars here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's say 11. 11 right now at 1,800 subs. I want to shoot the same video when I'm at like, I don't know, what do you think I'll hit one day? 100,000 and then the parking lot's like full. That would be sick. One day we'll do it. Okay, the meet's over now, and honestly, I didn't film much because I still don't like shoving a camera in people's faces. I still find it a little bit uncomfortable and weird. But now I'm standing in this big empty parking lot just because I kind of wanted to sit down and just reflect over how much I've accomplished in the past year on YouTube and building cars, because I think this is so cool. In the last year, I built this 512 wheel horsepower Subaru STI hatchback. And this thing is my baby. I'm never selling this car. This car was the first car I pulled an engine on. It is what taught me basically everything I know about cars. And being that this is the first car I ever built, I started making YouTube videos on it. And now I've created this platform for myself where I can make an Instagram post. And we had a car meet tonight with people just coming out to support me and what I'm doing and my brand and everything like that. It's so crazy. And the reason I'm standing here in this lot just talking to you guys by myself is because I wanted to share some stats with you guys over the last year. For you OG subscribers that come to the channel every single time I upload a video and watch and comment and like the videos and all that. In the past year of making YouTube videos, we have gotten 210,400 views, which is an insane number to me. I never thought that would happen. Even though there's YouTubers that get 200,000 views a day, that's still, for me, that is such a huge accomplishment to hear 200,000 views. And you guys have watched videos for 15,683 hours. That's a lot of hours. That's a damn, I don't know, 2 months worth of just YouTube videos. I don't know, math. And right now we are sitting at 1,853 subscribers. So we're almost at that 2K mark, which is still crazy to me. And the other stat I wanted to share, and I never ask people to subscribe, I never ask people to like the videos. If you guys want to subscribe, you're gonna subscribe. If you guys want to like the videos because you like it, you're probably gonna like the video. But I found a stat on my analytics that says that 88.1% of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed to the channel. So what the hell, boys? Click the subscribe button so you guys can see all the sick videos of us building Subarus and shit. It's fun. So yeah, now that I got all of that out of my system, and I'm giving a huge thank you to you guys for watching the videos. I know the first half of this video was just a bunch of BS and us going to a meet and kind of like a vlog style video, but the video is titled 500 horsepower STI POV Drive. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go rip this thing home, and no commentary whatsoever. It's just gonna be raw sounds with the GoPro strapped on my head, and we're gonna be banging through gears. So let's go have some fun. this road and give you guys a good launch here. This is the road out in Mexico. We used to always come here in high school, so this is pretty cool that I built this car now and we get to come out here, launch this thing, and just bag the shit out of it. So here we go. We got the access port set up on a 1/4 mile. See what we can do. Oh, the access port shut off. As soon as I spin the tires, the access port doesn't like it. Let's do it again. Woohoo! Let's go. What did we run? Holy shit, no way. I don't know how accurate access ports are, but we just beat our personal best. On the access port, I just ran an 11.71, and at the track, our best time was a damn 11.98. That's freaking sick. All right, that's where I'm gonna end the video off because this is where cars kind of started for me, out in Mexico. So peace out, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you guys in the next one.